Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to give you the comparison between the Visual Studio Code VS Code and the cursor and what are the things that you need to know. So the cursor, for me at least, is more smoother and more context aware with tap to edit, let's say, comparing to a VS Code, and because it got like improved with the Copilot Pro and gap is much smaller. So with the agent mode, you have on cursor multi-file edits, different previews, commands like generate rule, but you have to be aware of with cursor and with the agent, you have to like be very restricting about what it needs to do, and it can go off the rails and it can like not do good things for a code. Then on the other hand, with the Visual Studio Code, so you have the Copilot agent there, so it integrates chat, inline and workspace indexing. Now the context handling, so you have for cursor local and cloud indexing, and the VS Code is remote index through the GitHub. Models, you have like Sonnet, Gemini, GPT, etc. But also the cursor is getting like more and more expensive. What I also read and what is my experience, that I'm like many months ago it was like completely different. And here you have like GPT 2.1, Copilot Pro, Cloud for completions. So even it's like this is good. Now stability is like okay on both, in my opinion. The pricing, you can get also free trial for cursor to test it out for yourself and see. So like I'm happy with cursor, to be honest, and it, like I use it for scripts and various things and it works great. And I'm just like switch between agent and the Sonnet. So that is at least my own experience. So if you want to have like completions is like one priority, cursor can be like the edge for you. And if you want to focus on stability, control, and ecosystem matter more, you can go like VS Code and Copilot. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.